What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, GAWFOLK. Today is a pretty exciting day because the final piece of my flight simulator setup has finally arrived. These are the rudder pedals, and once I install them, my home cockpit will finally be complete. Like, I will be done. So over the last week, I've been slowly building this setup, not just for gaming, but to help me to become a better pilot. Before I unbox these pedals, let me show you everything I've invested to create this simulator. So now that you already see my setup, look, for my flights I will be using my VR glasses too. The most important thing, the reason of why I bought everything is those glasses. So now let's do the unboxing. Hold on. Let me put my window down.
Let me put my window down. I need fresh air.
Boom. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Attack, baby. I'm sweating though. Hold on. I need.
Let me put my window down. I need fresh air.
You're welcome. Whoa. Look at this. Cable. I don't know. Look at this. Yeah, that shit crazy. So pedals. Alright, this is just the beginning. I just got my rudder pedals. I'm gonna install them, try them, feel them, configure them, everything. So over the next month I will be using this setup, everything, and I will upload content. So if you're watching this, subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram, whatever, everything. So now my sim is complete. I have everything now, everything from the yoke, pedals, trim, everything is done to make content, to learn, to study aviation, everything. So let's see you in the next video.